Do you want me to look directly at the camera?
One high is just getting to be here and seeing all the wildlife, especially like the insects. It's really cool for me. I've grown up reading books about these kinds of places.
Me and Marielle went out into the rainforest last night for like an hour and found like dozens of crazy things.
So many animals and so many different creatures that we've seen.
I got to try a termite. So I went out on a nature walk with Josue, Lupe, Lee, and Laura. And Lee was like, you know, I've never tried a termite before, but I've heard they have an interesting flavor. And I was like, oh, really? And he's like, yeah, I'm gonna try one. And he was like, do any of you guys want to? And I was like, sure. It tasted like nothing.
There's been a lot of highs.
It's such an intense experience. You know, it's like hot and muggy and rainy and beautiful, and you're walking a lot and sweating a lot, and it's so fun seeing this group just like bond and become really close and coming together for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they're laughing and telling stories, and it feels like they're making lifelong friendships, all while pursuing stories they're really excited about and doing some pretty epic science journalism.
Just being like in a tropical environment surrounded by so much green and so much nature, and being able to see different birds, being able to see different animals like frogs. I kind of became a frog fan while I was here.
Very rich of smells, flavors, sounds. So you can definitely smell peccaries before you can see them.
As being an L2 Spanish learner, I think it's been great being able to practice my Spanish with the people here in Costa Rica.
And when I went and ordered my food, the guy there, he asked where I was from, and I told him I'm from the States, and he's like, oh, that's really weird because you talk very Mexican. And I'm like, let's go! It made my day.
As like someone with roots in Central America, it's a really incredible experience to connect with the community.
Working with such a talented and motivated and hardworking and driven group of people that have really creative and amazing ideas, and it's just inspiring to be around all of these people in this amazing place.
There's just a fly.
No lows. Just kidding. My lows.
My low. There's not many lows.
For me was just getting used to the humidity.
So like you would be showering and just feel really clean, and you come out of your cabin and you're sweaty and it's hot and you feel sticky again.
I think it's something that I don't really get to experience too often. I come from Nevada where it's super dry and not very, very humid.
If anything, the rain is kind of an inconvenience for carrying around equipment. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Carrying the equipment with an umbrella and in the rain, fighting the rain the whole time.
This morning I woke up, I realized that there's no more Cocoa Pebbles because I think I ate them all, and that's really upsetting, so I had some Fruit Loops.
My lows? There's nothing. It's great.
And I'm probably gonna get a heat rash when I get back.
I like got my feet pretty roughed up and I like itched them raw, so that's been rough.
Mic's getting wet, camera's getting wet, computer's not working, phone's not working.
I think if my biggest low is the humidity, then this trip went amazing.
This experience is unmatched.
Come to Costa Rica and eat all of the food.
Yes, do it, do it, do it. Come to Costa Rica.